Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for the SAT. First, begin by taking a complete diagnostic practice test. This initial step is crucial for understanding your current standing and highlighting areas where you excel or need more focus. After completing the test, carefully review your answers. Identify patterns in your mistakes across the reading, writing, and math sections. This analysis will guide your study plan, ensuring you dedicate your valuable time to the most impactful areas. Now, let's craft an effective study schedule. Consistency is key, so aim for regular, focused study sessions rather than cramming. Dedicate specific blocks of time each week, perhaps 3 to 5 days, for your SAT prep. If your diagnostic test revealed a weaker math section, for example, allocate 60% of your study time there. Remember to include short breaks to maintain focus and prevent burnout. A well-structured plan ensures steady progress towards your target score. Next, engage in targeted practice using official SAT materials. These resources provide the most accurate representation of the actual test. Don't just do practice problems. Actively analyze your mistakes. For every incorrect answer, understand why it was wrong and why the correct option is right. This deep dive into your errors is where significant learning happens. Consider dedicating 20 to 30 minutes daily to reviewing past mistakes and reinforcing concepts. Consistent review solidifies your understanding. Finally, let's talk about mastering test day. Practice pacing yourself during your full-length tests. The SAT has strict time limits, like 65 minutes for the reading section. Develop strategies for tackling different question types, such as eliminating two obviously wrong answers to increase your odds. On the day before the exam, avoid last-minute cramming. Instead, relax, get a full 8 hours of sleep, and eat a nutritious breakfast to ensure you are mentally sharp and ready to perform your best.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.